How to fix AMD chipset driver error 1603 in Windows 11. Hello friends, when trying to update AMD chipset driver to version 8.07.16.1035, you might get error 1603. The installation process might also be stuck to 20%. Follow the steps to fix it. Main culprit behind this error is obsolete driver file. You will have to delete the file to complete the chipset driver installation. For this, open the File Explorer, go to this PC, go to the C drive where Windows is installed, then open Program Files x86. Look for AMD and open it. Go to this folder. You will find a setup file named chipset underscore software.exe. This is the obsolete file causing hindrance to the chipset driver installation. Delete this file. Select and delete. Click on continue and then close the software. Now delete temporary files so that leftover of the AMD chipset driver may be deleted. Right click on start. Select run. Type TEMP. Click on OK. Select all the files and folders here and click on delete. Check this box and click on continue. Check this box and click on skip. Close the folder. Now again open run dialog box and type %temp%. Click on OK. Again select all the files and folders here and click on delete. Check this box and click on skip. Click on continue. Close the folder. After that, restart your computer. Now install the driver. For this, go to the downloads folder where you have downloaded the chipset driver. If you have not downloaded the chipset driver, then go to the website of AMD and download the chipset driver. From here, I have already downloaded this driver. Open this setup file. Click on yes. Let the driver install. Make sure that all the boxes are checked here and click on install. Click on close. Restart your computer. The driver will be installed successfully. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.